Good morning students. Today discuss about the functional relationship of geotechnical engineering. So the first functional relationship already discussed about. So the second one relationship between the E, S and Na. E means where E equal to void ratio and S equal to saturated density and Na equal to porosity of air content. So the Na equal to Va by V. Va means volume of air divided by total volume. Total volume is known as the Na, porosity of air content. So we know that the Va previous formula is Va equal to Vb minus Vw. माने volume of void minus volume of water. So the Vb means E and Vw means Ew. And void E first relationship of E. So the Vb minus Vw equal to E minus Ew. So the V total volume equal to volume of voids plus volume of solid. Vb plus Vs. So the V equal to E plus Vs and Ew is known as the 0. So the E plus 1. So the V equal to E plus 1. So the repeated of again same formula Na equal to Va by V. So the Na equal to Va by 1 plus E or E plus 1. But we know that Ew equal to Es. Void of water equal to void of solid. So the Na air content equal to E minus Ew. Previous formula. E minus Ew divided by 1 plus E. So the Na equal to E minus Ew equal to Es. Ew same as the Es. So the Na equal to E minus Es divided by 1 plus E. So the Na equal to E separated from E and including 1 minus E. So the bracket of open. So E minus Es. So the E common of E and 1 minus S divided by 1 plus E. So the formula of 5. So the next relation between of the NaSC and Na. Na means the porosity of air content and Ac of the air content of compression in soil. So the N equal to porosity 1 minus N. So the previous formula. So the first one is Ac, porosity of air content of compression in soil. So the Va by V same formula. So there is formula Ac equal to Va by V, volume of air by total volume. So the same formula as Na equal to Va by V. So the previous discuss about the Va by V. So the volume of air equal to divided by total volume. So the next one is N means N equal to volume of air by total volume. The 1 minus N equal to same formula Vb by V. So V equal to Vb divided by N. So the Na equal to same Va by V. So the put this formula, this value, and Na equal to Ac into Vb by Vb by N. So the Ac including Ac into Vb into N by Vb. So the Vb is dismissed and Ac into N. So the formula of Na or porosity of air content Ac into N. So the formula is 6. So the next one is relation between of gamma D, G and E or N. Gamma D means unit weight of dry density. So G equal to specific gravity of soil. So E equal to void ratio and N equal to porosity. So the first one is gamma D equal to Wd or Ws by V. Previous discuss about the Wd or Ws mean weight of solid or weight of dry solid divided by total volume. So the gamma D equal to gamma S into Bs by total volume. So same thing is gamma S into 1 divided by 1 plus E. mean V means previous formula is V equal to 1 plus E. So the gamma Wd or Ws equal to gamma S into Vs. So the from above figure, first one is 3-phase system of figure. Vs equal to 1, value from is Vs equal to 1 and V equal to 1 plus E. So the put this formula Vs, put this formula V1 and V formula is put this formula value is 1 plus E. So gamma D equal to gamma S into 1 and 1 plus E. So the same as gamma D equal to gamma S into 1 gamma S and 1 plus E. So the gamma S, therefore gamma S equal to G into gamma W. G equal to which is specific gravity of the soil solid, and gamma W equal to unit weight of the water or water content. So the gamma W equal to G into specific gravity into unit weight of the water divided by 1 plus E. So the seventh formula of relation between gamma D, G and E or N. So the next one is relation between of gamma saturated, and means unit weight of saturated density, G means specific gravity, or E equal to void ratio, or N equal to porosity of density. So the same things as gamma saturated equal to gamma saturated equal to W saturated by B, माने water content or soil submerged density divided by total volume. So same things formula is WD plus W divided by V. So gamma S into Vs equal to say same things gamma W Vw. Next one is say same value is same above the figure, gamma saturated equal to gamma S by E gamma W by 1 plus C. So we know that equal to gamma S equal to G gamma W. So the same value put this formula, and last one is formula gamma saturated G gamma W into G plus E 1 plus C. So the eighth formula of gamma saturated. So the next one, last relationship between is G gamma W into H. Say same formula is gamma equal to W by V. So W by Ws, and put this formula gamma W equal to W by Vw, and gamma S is W by Vs. So same things value put this formula, and last one is relationship equal to gamma W ACGS by 1 plus E. Say same things value put this formula and solve it. Last one is formula gamma W, mean unit weight of water equal to ACGS by 1 plus E. So the last formula. Thank you.